I'm sure you've heard the news. Cats and dogs can be friends. Turns out even cats and dogs can be best buds with a bit of patience and love. Start by introducing them slowly. Let them sniff around each other's space to get familiar. Fun fact, cats have 230 million scent receptors while dogs have 300 million. That's a lot of sniffing. Next, offer treats and praise when they're calm around each other. Positive reinforcement works wonders. And remember, patience is key. It might take days or even weeks, but when the purring and tail wagging start, you'll know it's worth the wait. So give it a try. With time, your furry friends might just become the dynamic duo you never expected. Stay positive.